Hello everyone, in this video we have this nice problem. We have x into x plus 1 is equal to 2x square root of 1 over x times x plus 1. And we have to find the value of x. But before we begin, as always, pause the video and try first. And if you're new here, consider subscribed and also don't forget to like this video. Now let's get started. We have x here and we also have x here as well. So I'm going to divide each side of this equation by x, so that this one will cancel this. Now we have x plus 1 is equal to 2 square root of 1 over x times x plus 1. Now I want to remove this square root from the equation, so I'll raise each side of this equation to the second power. Okay, so we have x plus 1 squared is equal to, now 2 squared is 4, then we have times 1 over x, x plus 1. Alright? I don't want to make things complicated, so I'll just keep the left hand side and then multiply each side of this equation by x. So we have x into x plus 1 squared is equal to 4 into x plus 1. Right. Now I'm going to equate everything to 0, so we have x into x plus 1 squared minus 4 into x plus 1, and this is equal to 0. Right. Now you can see we have x plus 1 here, and then it is also here as well, so I'm going to factor it out. So we have x plus 1, then I'm going to put this one in big bracket, then x into x plus 1 minus 4, and this is equal to 0. Right, now from here I can say that x plus 1 is equal to 0, or what is in the big bracket, which is x into x plus 1 minus 4 is also equal to 0. So from this equation we have x is equal to -1, or, now from this equation let's go ahead and then expand this. We have x squared plus x minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, now solving this quadratic equation using the quadratic formula, we have x is equal to -1 plus or minus square root of 1 minus 4 into 1 into -4, all divided by 2. Okay, so we have x is equal to -1 plus or minus square root of, now we have -4 times 1 times -4, that is positive 16, plus 1 is 17, so we have 17 over 2. Okay, so this implies that x is equal to -1 plus root 17 over 2, or x is equal to -1 minus root 17 over 2. Now, if you plug these values into the original equation, you get to know that for this value of x, we have 4 is equal to 4, okay? Then here you will get 4 is equal to -4. And of course, 4 is never equal to -4. So this value of x does not satisfy the equation, okay? So we can say that the value of x for this problem is -1, and then x is equal to -1 plus square root of 17 over 2. And this is our final answer. So guys, I hope you found this video useful. Please give it a thumbs up and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks a lot for watching. See you again on the next video.